Okay, so I've got these offcuts of 18mm ply or 19mm ply, and I've decided that's what I'm going to use, and so I'm going to get one out of each of them. There's 4 there, so I'm going to get one out of each. So I'll first check which side has already been trimmed. I know that square right.
Let's go and make something.
So this is my idea. We've got the square cut out, and I've now just got to cut the rest out into the shape. But the idea is we could put a clamp into here, or a clamp into a different type of clamp into the holes to pull it tight. So I've got the blade raised up so that I can get closer to my hole here. It's a little bit iffy, but my hands are still going to be well clear of it, so it should be right. Idea, I want that to be 90 and pull it tight, and then like this one actually you probably could go even tighter there. This one. That. Whew, shit. Spot on. Now, so that's that part. That works. You could even, for smaller ones, you could lock it into here as well. Lock both of them into there. That will pull it 90 as well, as long as if everything's taut on here. Now I'm going to cut these out on the scroll saw, I think, just to get them tidy. So you can use this style of clamp or this style of clamp, and they're holding it at 90. And of course you don't have to use the holes, you can just use a normal quick grip clamp or a C clamp or a D clamp. So they are pretty versatile. What I am going to do is put some tape down the sides here like this, so that any squeeze out of the glue won't stick to it. A nice simple project. And this is my entry to Fixit Fingers Jig Wars or Jig Challenge 21. I'll put the link down in the description. Give it a go. Pretty easy to do. Kia kaha, stay strong. Catch you next time.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And remember to click the notification bell icon, that way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. You can find us on most social media, including Google+, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter and Instagram. Please also consider supporting me on Patreon. See you next time. Don't forget to go and make something.